What is up, mates? In this video we are going to examine the 1:72 scale Mi4 Hound from Hobbyboss, along with two photo etch sets from Eduard. And at the end of the video I will show you some dry fit test shots. Starting with the instructions, we get a bit of unusual situation. All the steps are located on one page, but it's nicely laid out and looks clearly explained. On the back we have a sprue diagram. Along with the instructions we have 3 grey sprues, 1 transparent sprue, a decal sheet and a sheet with camouflage schemes printed in color. In addition to the kit, I bought 2 Eduard photo etch sets, each having 2 threads with details. Both sets are for the interior. We will take a closer look at them a bit later. On sprue A, we have a few interior parts. To be fair, they look pretty nice out of the box. One glaring error is the oversized passageway to the gunner's compartment. Also, there are quite a few ejector pin marks in rather unfortunate places. On the same sprue, we have the fuselage halves. The quality of the details, both inside and out, is excellent for the scale. This kit does not provide an engine, so something must be done about the cooling vents. Check these massive location tabs. They help a lot and are not going to be visible. On sprue B, we have a rather featureless floor of the cargo cabin and many other bits and pieces. Here we will also find the main and tail rotor assemblies, and they are very well done, probably apart from the oversized ribbing on the blades. I guess that some sandpaper will remedy that. Sprue C comes with a massive amount of undercarriage parts. This helicopter has a very complex scaffolding to sit on. Here we also have the cargo doors and the gunner turret, the engine inlets and so on. Unfortunately, the ejector marks are present here as well. In my opinion, the clear parts are on the nice side of things. The thing that I don't like are the molded in windshield wipers. Granted, the bubbly windows have distortion, but that's inevitable. The flat windows are pretty clear and have minimum distortion. There are not many decals here, but they look rather good. There is no apparent carrier film and the print quality is excellent. If the decals behave well on application, they will be awesome. The kit is rather good on its own, but with some additional details it can be very good. So I bought 2 photo etch sets from Eduard, both for the interior. The first set is mostly for the cockpit. It has a new bulkhead surface as well as some additional details. Then we have upgrade for the seats, which includes replacement backrests and seat belts. For the cockpit floor, we have new surface, new instrument panel and center console, new pedals and some more details. We also get some details for the gunner's compartment. The cockpit ceiling gets new surface as well, although I think it's not worth the effort to replace the kit one, but the console with the switches will be great addition. We also get the fix for the issue with the oversized passage to the gunner's compartment, and some more details. The second photo etch set is for the cargo cabin. It gives us a much better floor detail, as the kit one is just flat piece of plastic. We get additional and replacement details for the cargo doors, also really nice looking inner surface for the small door. The majority of the frets is occupied by replacement sidewalls with great detail, but I am a bit concerned of how I will assemble and bend those sidewalls properly. This set provides awesome seats for the soldiers to sit on, and also a ladder for the pilots to climb into the cockpit. So, here are the main parts assembled, without any glue or tape, thanks to the massive location tabs, which on top of everything remain hidden. That's some clever engineering and I like it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy modeling!